Good evening and thanks for watching in advance. This is a weather report. It's really lovely to report the weather when it's so nice. Summer has arrived at last. Yesterday Scotland had its highest temperature of the year at 19 degrees in Aviemore. Today those records were slashed much higher. So Edinburgh, for example, Lucas as well, and Dumfries had 22 degrees today. And Aviemore had 21 degrees, and most of Scotland actually were around about the 20 mark, and Scotland was actually warmer than England today, so that makes a complete change. The settled weather is going to continue, particularly in Scotland, over the next few days, and the heat's going to build a little bit more, and the sun is particularly strong. I hardly remember, being such a weather enthusiast, I hardly remember seeing the sun index so high. So I'll talk a little bit about that too. Tomorrow we're looking at a glorious day. Clear skies across the country, from north to south, which is amazing. The temperature's just up a wee bit on what they were today. So we're looking at more generally 22, 23 in parts of Scotland, especially the east and south east of Scotland, and we're looking at 25, 26 degrees down south, so the heat is building, and down south the humidity is building a little bit too, but a really sparkly sunny day. The sun index though is really worth noting, and this applies to this whole forecast period. Midsummer is here of course, and the longevity of the sun being strong during the day has increased. So from 10 o'clock in the morning the sun index will be 5, which is a high moderate category, and the sun index is actually going to get up to 7 in Scotland, and that is so rare. Usually the maximum sun index would be 7, but even more rare down south, it's going to be an 8, which is very high, and this is on a global scale. So just to make you aware, the sun is really, really powerful. If you're on the coast and there's a sea breeze, don't be deceived, the sun is just as strong, if not stronger, because generally it's a little bit clearer there too. So a really lovely day to come tomorrow, and we repeat that once again on Friday, particularly in Scotland. Again, the temperature is nudging up that wee bit more. We're talking about 28, 29 degrees in London, and that brings with it the humidity some thunderstorms, and those thunderstorms are going to move further north and the heavy rain. I don't think at this stage it's going to affect Scotland too much. There is a slight possibility that it may do so on Saturday, but from Saturday there's going to be a cooling trend. It's not going to be cold, but it's certainly going to be cooler than the high 20s that you'll experience on Friday. Saturday some showers about. In Scotland mostly dry, but just the odd shower. So for the Millport Holistic Festival, it's looking pretty good actually. Maybe about 18 or 19 degrees, and sunny skies as well, just the odd chance of a shower. And on Sunday, on a personal note, holding a party for my brother and sister-in-law. It's a baby shower, and it's an outdoor event, and it's looking dry. A little bit cooler again, but the sun index still 6, which suggests that the sun will be very, very strong. I hope whatever you do, you have a lovely time, enjoy this sunshine while it lasts, make the most of it, make hay while the sun shines, and take care in the sun. Thanks for watching. This is Jason Bryce. Have a good one. Thanks. Bye bye.